Question 6. Find the highest common factor of 140 and 245. So one of the options here is that we could just list all of the factors of 140 and all of the factors of 245 and look at those lists and see which one is the biggest. Or we have two other options that both start the same way, and this of course is the method that you would want to use most of the time, especially when the numbers are large. So if we break these numbers down into their prime factors, 140 for example could be 10 times 14 followed by 2 times 5 and 2 times 7, like so. So 140 I could write as 2 squared times 5 times 7. 245 can be broken down into 5 and 49, and then 49 can become 7 times 7. So that will give us 245 equals 5 times 7 squared. Now the reason I write them like this is because one of the ways of finding the highest common factor is to ask ourselves which of each of these prime factors loses. So we have no 2's in this number, so that would technically lose. There aren't any 3's in either of these, so that would also lose. Either of these 5's, they're kind of joint first for winning, and they're also joint last, so we will have a 5 in our answer. It doesn't actually matter which of these we pick, but there will be a 5 in our answer. And then of the 7's, this is the smaller 7, so we will have a single 7 there. Our highest common factor will then be those two multiplied together, giving us 35. The other way in which we can do this is set up a Venn diagram where we place all of the prime factors of 140 and 245, starting with the common ones. So the common ones, just to color code them here, we have a 5 in each of them, we have a 7 in each of them, and I'm going to place those numbers where you see the purple, pink and green. There are 2 2's spare for the 140, and there is 1 7 spare for the 245. The highest common factor, once you've placed all of the prime factors into a Venn diagram, is the overlap, is the intersection times together. So again, we're going to get this 5 times 7, and that will equal 35. Done.